Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel link. For that, you need to open your YouTube mobile application, then tap on this search icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to use the search bar and here you need to type Cristiano Ronaldo. Once done, you will be able to find the first YouTube channel with the name ur.cristiano. So this is basically his official YouTube channel. So if you tap on it, you will notice that his channel has around 42.3 million subscribers and he has uploaded around 20 videos on his channel. So you just have to tap on the subscribe button in order to subscribe to his channel. Plus, if you tap on the subscribe option now, you need to tap on all in order to turn on the notifications bell. So what this will do is whenever Cristiano Ronaldo upload any of the new videos, as he has uploaded 17 hours ago, you will be get notified. Now in order to find his channel link, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on share and here you will be able to see the copy link option. So you need to tap on copy link and it will say that the link is copied successfully. Now you can share this link with your friends and family members so that they could also join Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.